Worried about outdated bank info on your Crypto.com account? Let's quickly and safely remove it. First, open your Crypto.com app and tap on Accounts at the bottom of your screen. Next, select Fiat Wallet. Now, choose the currency of the bank account you wish to remove. This could be USD, EUR, or any other currency you've linked. You'll see a list of your linked bank accounts. Tap on the specific bank account you want to unlink from your Crypto.com account. This will open the bank account details page. Look for a Remove or Delete button, which is usually at the bottom or hidden within a 3-dot menu. Once you find it, tap on it. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Carefully read the warning and, if you're sure, confirm that you want to remove the bank account. For security purposes, you may be asked to enter your Crypto.com app passcode or use biometric authentication like fingerprint or Face ID to confirm the removal. And that's it. The bank account is now successfully removed. You should see a confirmation message and the bank account will disappear from your list of linked accounts. Keep your crypto secure. Subscribe for more helpful tutorials.